airport, we have the airlines running through our blood. Tony's father worked for TWA for almost 30 years, and my grandfather worked for Pan Am. So, I have to say that we never heard of what's happening in this first song actually at an airport. And if you want a good drink, you know where to go, inside at the bar. This is Drunk on a Plane by Dierks Bentley. I'm getting drunk on a plane, buying drinks for everybody but the pilot. It's a party, got the 737 rocking like a G6. Stewardess is something sexy,